Hi, my name's Mike Collinson. I'm 75 years old and I'm just about to embark on the biggest project I've ever undertaken in my life, I think. I'm going to extend my bungalow. I'm actually more than doubling the size of it, and I'm going to take videos right the way through from start to finish, and I'm going to also do a complete costing on it. Lots of tips and tricks along the way. It's many years since I was a builder, but I still enjoy doing it. So I hope you look forward to seeing the rest of these videos. There'll be many of them, maybe more than 100. So here goes. Here's the first of many coming up. Bye bye. Here you can see the bungalow with the garage beside it. The extension takes up the full width from the end of the garage here, right to the side of the house, and it goes the full depth of the bungalow. So the first job I've got to do is to dig up all this ground, clear all the site, take the garage down right back to that retaining wall that I built earlier. All this has got to go. I've got to reduce the ground levels by about 18 inches or more, nearly 2 foot in fact. So I've got a lot of soil to come out. I reckon probably in excess of 50 to 60 tons I've got to shift. And I'm going to try and do this by hand first of all. I could get a machine in here, but it just puts me under a lot of pressure to do it. So I've made a trial hole just to give an indication of where we're going here. I need to dig it down about another 6 inches deeper than this. So I'm going to start my first few videos, well, quite a few videos, will be digging and excavating the site out ready for to clear it basically, so that I can get the foundation started. So here goes. Well, that's the first day's work finished. Pretty hard work. My back's aching, but I'm quite pleased with today's work. It's a good start, and at least I've got the level now at the back part of the patio established, where the hardcores could go down for the area across there. All I've got to do now is to dig out the rest of this. The topsoil I'm putting above the wall here. And I'm also I'm carrying it up in buckets, which is pretty hard work, but I'm going to lose as much of the soil as I can. And as you can see here, I'm starting to lay it along the back here. I'm going to raise the level down the bottom. And I think I can probably get rid of a ton of soil up here somewhere. Anyway, that's it for today, and look out for more tomorrow.